Hi, I'm Angela, and my exoplanet is K2-9b. It was discovered in 2015, and its planet radius is 2.25 from the Earth. It orbits a M-type star. It takes 18.4 days to complete one orbiting of its star. Well, its star is the host star, which is the K2-9. It is a red dwarf, and it's an M-type star, which means it's a cold star. It's 271 light years away from the Earth. It was discovered by the Kepler doing its K2 mission. So to travel there, it would take over 3 billion years at the speed of 60 miles per hour. If we also compare the sizes of our Earth with the K2-9b, you see that it's 6,357. If we look at Jupiter, we also see that Jupiter is 71,409 radius from the K2-9b. Now to look at our solar system, you see that here the K2-9 and the K2-9b is very small, and that means it's lesser mass and it's colder. The reason why I chose this is because I like the original Neptune, and I studied on that a little bit, and I hope there is life on the planet. So here's my reference. Thank you.